Welcome to Exam Sale. In this video we will walk through the Juniper Network Certified Design Associate Exam Syllabus and explain what you need to learn to pass the JNCDA. The JNCDA syllabus is organized into 6 domains with exact weightings you must know. Network Design Architectures carries 24%, Network Design Considerations is 22%, Customer Network Design Requirements is 16%, Securing the Network is 14%, Automation and Management is 12%, and Business Continuity is 12%. Each domain includes focused topics, difficulty levels, estimated study time, and the assessment style. Network Design Architectures is 24% of the exam and focuses on selecting and applying appropriate architecture models. This medium difficulty domain recommends about 10 hours of study and is assessed with conceptual and scenario-based questions. You will learn campus LAN design including traditional multi-tier models, Layer 2 versus Layer 3 trade-offs, virtual chassis and virtual chassis fabric implementations, access, aggregation and core layer functions, spanning tree design impacts and segmentation strategies. You will also cover data center spine leaf principles, underlay versus overlay networking, east-west and north-south traffic patterns, data center interconnect basics, and the evolution from legacy 3-tier to modern clove fabrics, +1 and edge topics like MPLS, SD-WAN, PE and CE roles, hub and spoke versus mesh topologies, internet edge design and direct internet access for branches. Network Design Considerations is 22% and focuses on physical, logical and technological factors that influence design. This medium difficulty domain suggests about 8 hours of study and is tested with conceptual and scenario-based items. You will learn physical and environmental design including rack placement, power and cooling budgets, cabling media choices between fiber and copper, environmental monitoring needs, and hardware life cycle planning. You will also study logical design and virtualization topics such as IP addressing and subnetting strategies, IPv6 transition and coexistence, NFV concepts, routing instance and logical router design, SDN integration, and VM and container networking. Customer Network Design Requirements is 16% and focuses on gathering and analyzing business and technical requirements. This easy domain needs about 6 hours of study and is assessed with scenario-based questions. You will learn to determine business goals and objectives, analyze the existing network and its limitations, evaluate traffic patterns and application behavior, identify technical constraints and compliance needs, define success criteria and performance metrics, and execute RFI and RFP processes to capture stakeholder requirements. Securing the Network is 14% and focuses on incorporating security best practices into design. This medium difficulty domain recommends 6 hours of study and uses conceptual and scenario-based assessment. You will learn defense in-depth security modeling, how to secure management, control and data planes, physical site security and access control, security zone design and firewall placement, NAT considerations, and network access control including 802.1x to protect users and devices. Automation and Management is 12% and focuses on designing for observability, maintainability and automated operations. This medium domain suggests about 5 hours of study and is assessed with conceptual and scenario-based questions. You will learn in-band versus out-of-band management design, SNMP and telemetry monitoring models, NetConf, REST APIs and Yang modeling, common automation tools such as Ansible and others, zero-touch provisioning workflows, and how to select an appropriate network management system. Business Continuity is 12% and focuses on ensuring resilience and availability through redundancy and recovery planning. This hard domain needs about 5 hours of study and is evaluated with scenario-based questions. You will study device-level redundancy like dual routing engines and dual power, link-level redundancy including lag and MAC-lag, protocol-level options such as VRRP, GREs and NSR, methods to calculate availability using MTBF and MTTR, disaster recovery and site-to-site failover planning, and application-level resilience considerations. That covers every JNCDA domain with the exact weights and the key topics you must master. Use the estimated study hours, focus areas and assessment styles to plan your study and practice scenario-based designs. Good luck from Exam Sale and study smart.